So, what do you want to play first, Don Quixote?
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clarksville, Foreman, Idabel, Winter, Arkinda, Avery, Nona, Hayworth, Harris, Good Lake, Beaver Dams, Tom, Bocoma, English, Moon, Almont, Briarly, America and Chenewell. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Texas, Bowie and Red River, and McCurtain, Oklahoma, and Little River, Arkansas.